Did you know that according to the World Health Organization, nearly 100% of adults have at least one cavity, and between 15 to 20% of adults aged 35 to 44 have severe gum disease? Shocking, isn't it? This is largely due to the twin villains of oral health, plaque and tartar. These dental troublemakers are the leading causes of cavities and gum disease, wreaking havoc in mouths worldwide. But worry not, because today you'll learn 9 effective ways to combat plaque and tartar naturally. Before we dive into the solutions, let's understand the problem. Plaque and tartar, what are they? Well, plaque is a sticky film of bacteria that constantly forms on our teeth. It's colorless, and when we don't clean our teeth properly, it starts to build up. Now, if this plaque isn't removed, it hardens over time and turns into tartar. Tartar is a crusty deposit that traps stains on the teeth and causes discoloration. So why are plaque and tartar a problem? They're more than just unsightly. They are the main culprits behind tooth decay and gum disease. Plaque produces acids that attack our tooth enamel, leading to cavities. Tartar, on the other hand, creates a protective shield for bacteria, making it harder to remove and causing the gums to become irritated and inflamed. In essence, plaque and tartar are silent threats to our oral health. They sneak up on us, causing damage before we even realize it. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. With the right knowledge and techniques, we can tackle these dental villains head-on. Now that we understand these silent threats, let's move on to how we can combat them. Our first line of defense is something you already do every day, brushing your teeth, but are you doing it right? The art of brushing lies in the details. Let's break it down. Start with choosing the right toothbrush. Soft bristles are generally recommended as they are less likely to damage your gums. When you brush, hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Gently move the brush back and forth in short strokes. Brush all surfaces of the teeth. The outer surfaces, the inner surfaces, and the chewing surfaces. And let's not forget about cleaning those hard-to-reach back teeth and your tongue. Now, how long should you brush? Aim for 2 minutes. Yes, 2 whole minutes. That's about the length of your favorite pop song, so feel free to hum along. And the golden rule of brushing? Do it twice a day. Once when you wake up and once before you go to bed. This keeps your mouth free of food particles and bacterial plaque that build up throughout the day and while you sleep. Remember, technique matters as much as frequency when it comes to brushing. Next up, a household item with surprising dental benefits: baking soda. You might know it as an ingredient for your favorite cookies or cakes, but baking soda is also a natural plaque fighter. It's an alkaline substance that can neutralize the acids in your mouth, reducing the chances of tooth decay and gum disease. And that's not all. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which helps to scrub away stubborn plaque on teeth surfaces. To use it, you just need to make a simple paste. Take 2 tablespoons of baking soda and add a few drops of water. Mix it until it reaches a toothpaste-like consistency. Apply this mixture to your toothbrush and brush your teeth as you normally would. Be sure to reach all areas of your mouth. Rinse thoroughly when you're done. Remember, while baking soda is effective, it's not a substitute for regular toothpaste. Think of it as a supplementary tool in your oral hygiene routine. A simple solution, isn't it? But wait till you hear the next one. From your kitchen to your bathroom, coconut oil has a myriad of uses. But did you know it can also help with oral health? Yes, indeed. This versatile oil has been employed for centuries in an ancient practice known as oil pulling. Originating from Ayurvedic medicine, oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of oil around in your mouth for about 20 minutes. Why coconut oil, you may ask? Well, it contains lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. When you swish the oil around, it pulls bacteria and other toxins from your mouth, hence the name oil pulling. The process can help to reduce plaque, fight gum disease, and even freshen your breath. Remember, consistency is key. For maximum benefits, it's recommended to practice oil pulling first thing in the morning, before eating or drinking anything. After you're done, spit out the oil. Don't swallow it, as it's full of the toxins you've just pulled from your mouth. Then, rinse your mouth with warm water and brush your teeth as usual. A little swishing can go a long way in maintaining your oral health. Now, let's take a look at some natural remedies you can find in your pantry: apple cider vinegar, orange peels, and sesame seeds. First up, apple cider vinegar. This tangy vinegar is renowned for its health benefits, and it doesn't stop at oral health. To harness its power, simply dilute 1 part apple cider vinegar in 2 parts water and swish it around your mouth for about a minute, just like mouthwash. Its natural acidity helps break down plaque and tartar, but remember to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards to protect your tooth enamel from the vinegar's acidity. Next on deck are orange peels. You heard that right. The white part of the peel contains limonene, a natural solvent that can help dissolve plaque without eroding your tooth enamel. To use, simply rub the white part of an orange peel on your teeth before going to bed. Leave the residue overnight and rinse in the morning. It might sound unusual, but your teeth will thank you. Last but not least, sesame seeds. These tiny seeds can act as a natural scrub for your teeth. Chew a handful of sesame seeds, but don't swallow. Instead, brush your teeth with the chewed seeds and saliva using a dry toothbrush. This can help scrub off plaque and tartar, leaving your teeth clean and shiny. So the next time you're in your kitchen, remember that it's not just a place for cooking meals, but also a treasure trove of natural remedies for oral health. From apple cider vinegar's acidic properties to the scrubbing power of sesame seeds and the surprising benefits of orange peels, your pantry is packed with tools to help keep your smile bright and healthy. Nature indeed provides us with amazing remedies, doesn't it? Our next natural remedy is a popular plant with numerous health benefits: aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. But did you know it can also be an effective tool in your oral hygiene arsenal? By combining it with glycerin, you can create a natural toothpaste that's not only good for your teeth, but also tastes pleasant. To make this toothpaste, simply mix 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 10 drops of lemon essential oil with half a cup of glycerin. Use this as you would your regular toothpaste, and you'll soon start to see the benefits. Now, let's talk about diet. It's often overlooked, but your diet can significantly impact your oral health. Certain foods, like fruits and vegetables, can naturally clean your teeth while you eat them. They increase saliva production, which is your body's natural way of washing away food particles and neutralizing acids. Additionally, foods rich in calcium like milk, cheese, and yogurt can strengthen your teeth and help ward off decay. On the other hand, sugary and acidic foods can contribute to plaque buildup and should be consumed in moderation. Remember, what you eat can be as important as how you clean when it comes to oral health. While these natural remedies can significantly improve your oral health, there's no substitute for professional care. You see, your dentist has the tools and the expertise to spot and deal with dental issues that may be invisible to the untrained eye. Regular dental checkups are like preventive maintenance for your car. You wouldn't want to wait until your engine blows to visit the mechanic, would you? Similarly, waiting until you have a toothache or bleeding gums to visit the dentist is not the best strategy. Regular checkups and cleanings can help catch early signs of tooth decay, gingivitis, or even oral cancer, and nip them in the bud. Moreover, professional cleanings can get rid of stubborn plaque and tartar that your toothbrush might miss, ensuring your pearly whites stay, well, pearly white. And remember, many dental issues are stealthy. They start small and painless, and by the time you feel something's off, they've already done significant damage. Regular checkups allow for early detection and treatment, saving you from pain, high treatment costs, and potential tooth loss. So don't skip your dental appointments. Your smile will thank you. Now you're armed with 9 natural and effective ways to fight plaque and tartar. We've journeyed together through the art of proper brushing, the power of baking soda and water, the ancient practice of oil pulling with coconut oil, and the surprising benefits of an apple cider vinegar rinse. We've also discovered how a simple orange peel, sesame seeds, aloe vera, and glycerin can contribute to a healthier smile. Don't forget about the importance of diet changes and regular dental checkups in maintaining optimal oral health. It's now time to put these methods into action. Try incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, and remember, consistency is key to seeing results. These natural remedies are not just beneficial for your oral health, but they're also kind to your wallet and the environment. Remember, a healthy smile is always in style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more health tips. Stay healthy and keep smiling.